Moving on to climate of the late Paleozoic. Remember, I said that during the Paleozoic, what is now North America was actually on the equator. The continent itself was on the equator. Since then, it's been pushed away because of tectonics, but back then it was on the equator. This means that the climate of Laurentia was very warm, right? It was tropical. And within 30 degrees or so of the paleoequator, so where North America was, there were a lot of development of coal beds containing tropical plants, evaporite deposits like halite and gypsum, coral reefs, desert red beds were developed, warmth-loving amphibians and reptiles lived in the forests, warmth-loving plants like ferns and species of trees began to develop in these areas. Right? So we see this evidence of a really warm tropical climate in the fossil record here and in the extensive coal beds that were created. Now, since balmy conditions were not characteristic of Gondwana near the South Pole, remember that even though North America was on the equator, Gondwana was still situated over the South Pole. This is what allowed, land being on the South Pole is what allowed these glaciation events to occur. And when these glaciation events occurred with Gondwana on the South Pole, there were late Devonian glacial episodes that once again triggered mass extinctions.